Let's unbox the DJI mic together. I finally caved in and bought this. I'm so excited. I'm actually using the mic for the voiceover. So we've got the manual, keeping it aside. I've heard DJI packaging never misses. Let's see. This feels quite good. Let's see what's inside. These are so cute and tiny, I love it. So we've got the mini mic, charger, windscreens. Let's talk about this little baddie here. This flips onto literally anything and it is so cute and tiny. So excited to use this. Thank you.